My name is Dustin DeGorsey and I'm Vice President of Sales for La-Z-Boy Southeast. Thanks for joining us today. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the La-Z-Boy lifetime warranty. Before I get there, let's just talk about La-Z-Boy in general. When people think about La-Z-Boy, they think about their grandfather's chair. They think about the comfort that they enjoyed for years, and that's because we built a product that was extremely comfortable. Before anybody had a recliner, La-Z-Boy made it. And they built it in a way that lasts, which is why you may have memories of sitting with your mom, your dad, your grandparents, and their genuine La-Z-Boy furniture. Here we go today. La-Z-Boy has expanded greatly into the world of furniture, and now we're known for our sofas, our love seats, our reclining furniture in general, just all the way across the board, but we still build a product that lasts for years upon years, generation to generation, and can be passed down. I can tell you, me personally, I've been with the La-Z-Boy family for 18 and a half years. My mom has the first La-Z-Boy that I purchased 18 years ago. It's sitting in her living room right now being used. Still extremely comfortable. It's a leather Larson recliner. If you want to look it up, great recliner. But the point is that we continue to build a product that stands the test of time. So maybe you're thinking about buying a La-Z-Boy, or maybe you bought one and you haven't read that fine print. You're wondering, how does this, quote, lifetime warranty work? Let's dive into that. I want you to understand it. Understand what it is, understand what it's not. What it is a limited lifetime warranty on parts for your frame, your springs, and your mechanism. If your sofa, or love seat, or chair has a mechanism, because if it's non-reclining, it doesn't. So then it would be the frame and the springs. That's for the parts. And so as long as you own that product and La-Z-Boy can make it, those parts are free to you. And that's the way furniture warranties work across the board. 1 year of in-home service. If you used our delivery service, you also get 1 year of service being done in the home. So the trip's covered for the first year with delivery, and then the service being done in the home is covered for that first year as well. So it's important that you understand that it doesn't cover things like somebody coming to your house for as long as you own it, or somebody doing the work for as long as you own it. No furniture warranty is going to cover that for life. When you compare that to our competitors are going to have maybe a 1, maybe a 5, maybe a 7-year warranty on the frame, mechanism, and spring system. And if it says lifetime, which some of our competitors do say lifetime, but it's not a real lifetime warranty, because if you read the fine print, it'll say lifetime of this product is 5, maybe 7 years, and that's what their lifetime warranty means. With La-Z-Boy, it's a true lifetime warranty. As long as La-Z-Boy can get that part is free to you. And I have personally seen La-Z-Boy fix a chair that was 51 years old, that they didn't have the mold for, that they remade the mold for, made the part, fixed the chair, which is pretty amazing. Now, is La-Z-Boy perfect? No. Is there any perfect product out there that's man-made? No. Can things break? Sure, absolutely. If so, we have a service department that's ready to field that and take you through that process. And that's as simple as calling your local store, letting them know what the issue is. They're going to ask you, what's going on, and then what is the ACK number from your piece of furniture. And you'll find that on the bottom of your reclining footrest, on the bottom of your sofa, possibly pick up the cushions and you'll find that law tag. So if you're thinking about ripping that law tag off, do not rip that off under any circumstances. That's the key to your warranty on your furniture product. Just to kind of wrap this up, we talk about this lifetime warranty, and it's great because as long as you own that La-Z-Boy product, you know that your frame, mechanism, and spring system are covered. But La-Z-Boy also comes with other warranties. On the fabric, you have a 1 year manufacturer defect warranty. Additionally, you should know that our fabric is tested to 2 times the industry standard, and we are the only company in North America who tests to that extent. And so we test for durability via rub test, via stretch test. What you can know for certain when buying La-Z-Boy is that your upholstery is going to be tested to a higher durability than anybody else in the United States. Next, the foam. And so our foam's going to come with various warranties depending on which foam you get, from 1 year to 5 years. And that warranty is going to cover plushness and shape. I've looked at our competitors' warranties, and I've seen a competitor specifically that's a little bit more expensive than us that does have a 3-year warranty on foam, but it does not cover the plushness and shape. So understand what you're getting whenever you buy the product. Electrical parts, you know, a lot of our clients these days really love the electrical options. Our electrical option comes with a 3-year warranty on those electrical parts. Our competitors come with maybe a 1-year warranty. You're going to get 3 years with La-Z-Boy. Again, better than the competition. And if you want, there are additional warranties that you can add to La-Z-Boy products. The power can go up to 5 years. Fabric, rips, stains, tears, etc. You can get that lifetime at your La-Z-Boy Furniture Gallery. So a lot of warranties to discuss, can be confusing. I hope that this video helped you understand how it works. Know that we're here to help you. And if you have any additional questions on it, please give us a call. You're going to find experts in all your local La-Z-Boy Furniture Galleries, especially right here in the Southeast at La-Z-Boy Southeast. If you enjoyed this video, hit the button down there that says subscribe and find more like this one.